Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click to start, click on setting, system and troubleshoot. Then click to other troubleshoot and then click on Windows Update, click run, and after that it will start. Okay, so just minimize it and this is close it. Now it's working in the background. Okay, close, minimize it now. So then click to start, type cmd. So I have some reset command to component and Windows will be work after this complete. And cmd to click to run as administrator. Okay, so first command is net stop and type this. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, then second stop bits, net stop bits, and third this one. So this command I will give in descriptions and you can type manually, so no worry about it. Okay, this is four command: first, second, third and fourth. Okay, then type like this. And okay, oh sorry, it's okay. Yeah, type ren and this is locations, which is created file and all to new. Okay, and then type this one and then hit enter. Then again then again start the component, which is this, already starting services. Okay, then this one. Okay, then this bits. Oh, this is actually two time to run, no worry. Okay, then next command this one and then hit enter. Okay, and this is last command, this one. Then next, close it. Then again click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command DISM space slash online space cleanup image restore health, then hit enter. This command use of most of Windows dial and Windows files is corrupted to restore. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, then next click to start, again type the cmd, right click to run as administrator, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. Okay, you can start both, otherwise you can enter this command one by one, which is completed then, and then try to this one. Okay, and then completed, then restart your system and then click to start and go to setting and then try to update it. Thank you.